This is the best way you can start making money from home in 2023. Listen up, guys. Save this video because I'm pretty sure that you will like to watch this for later because this is gonna be sounding a little bit crazy. I'm pretty sure you already hear about the Amazon Associate Program, but don't worry, this is not what this video is all about. This is gonna be something way better. I'm pretty sure that you already have a lot of stuff around your place. Well, people already gift them to you, you're already purchasing. The only thing that you need to do is that you need to record a review videos. It can be a 1 or 2 minute video, and don't worry, you don't have to show your face. And don't worry, if you don't purchase them on Amazon, don't worry. You just need to make sure that they are sold on Amazon. You just need to record a 1 or 2 minute video and you just need to talk about what you like about the product. And remember, you don't even have to show your face on camera. Just talk about what you want, what you like it. Okay, so if you want to know more about this, comment Amazon and I'm going to be sending you all the information.